Is it just me, or is cloud development getting slower? It doesn't have to be this way. Hi, I'm Tom, creator of WEBcode, and I want to bring the joy to cloud programming with a focus on the developer experience. There's no waiting around for deploys, it's instant. There's no tools to install or tool chains to maintain because it's 100% browser based. And your program output, code, front end and back end, is all interleaved in the notebook format. There's no infrastructure to manage because it's totally serverless. Together, this enables unprecedented development velocity for front-end and back-end coding. Let me explain how it works. We took Observable's reactive notebook technology and adapted it for cloud. We created live coding, which tunnels production traffic to the developer's browser. It's live coding that eliminates the deployment lag and enables state-of-the-art debugging workflows. It makes development in prod feel like it's local. There's nothing like it on the market today. It's a unique experience. Life's too short to spend time on things that don't bring you joy.